Health is really the optimal state of physical, mental, and well-being. So in order to achieve health, you have to understand the process of how to get there. We help students learn to grow by focusing on the whole person. And once they know how they themselves can share these skill sets with others, they're able to focus on other clientele, patients, and the communities that they can better serve because they're learning how to actually engage the mind, body, and spirit of an actual person. We focus on specifically a hands-on approach. What makes our degree really unique is that students are able to learn the skill sets and to learn education and health promotion within the classroom. And then once we learn about this, we go out into the community, first starting within the university community themselves, and then we go out into the organization or local communities or the New York City area where they can actually be change agents, promoting health, preventing and helping educate the community about the prevention of disease and healthy behaviors. We also prepare them with having them complete a certified peer educator degree training, which helps them to be student leaders among the community. And then they also complete a certification in mental health and first aid training. The health and wellness degree is going to allow students to pursue careers in management, coordinating, or director positions that are specifically related to health promotion, health and wellness, community advocates, fitness-related professionals, or even personal trainers. But really it helps them take a leadership role in whatever career they want, in any discipline that they want. It can also help prepare them to apply to graduate degree programs that are in allied healthcare or healthcare-related fields. Being able to foster that growth where someone has an interest in a healthcare or health-related field and they're not exactly sure what they want to do, and being able to guide them through that process has been really rewarding for me. I get to show them in the classroom what their potential is. So this program is really unique because it's not just one set path, it's whatever path that you want to take.